Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to buy and sell stocks on Cash App. Cash App allows you to invest in stocks with as little as $1, and here's how to do it. First thing first, launch the Cash App on your phone. Tap the Investing tab, which is a bar graph icon at the bottom. Browse popular stocks or use the search bar to type in the company name or ticker symbol and tap the stock you want to buy. Choose Buy and enter the amount you want to invest. Then choose Order Type. By default, Cash App creates a standard order. Tap Order Type if you want to set a custom purchase like recurring buys. Now review details, then tap Confirm. Enter your cash PIN or use Touch ID or Face ID to approve. To sell stocks on Cash App, go to the Investing tab and scroll to your portfolio and choose the stock you want to sell. Choose Sell and input the dollar amount you'd like to sell. Can be partial or full. Now review the transaction details and tap Confirm, then enter your cash PIN or Touch ID. After buying or selling, proceed from a sale, go directly to your Cash App balance and purchase stocks show in your portfolio under the Investing tab. You can reinvest, transfer funds, or cash out anytime. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.